Hey guys, welcome to VIT Today's FYI, a series of short videos where we pick specific topics and explore them just a little bit. I am Shreyan Padmanabhan and this is Streaming FYI. Now when I say streaming, I'm not talking about Netflix, Prime or Hotstar. But before you leave this video, you might want to stay and listen to what I have to say because you just might be interested. When I say streaming, I'm talking about our favorite form of content. YouTube videos and Instagram content, where we see individual creators and their content and consume their content en masse. Streaming is just the next evolution of this content. Imagine if those very videos were not pre-recorded but live, and you could interact with the creators while it was happening. That is the essence of streaming. Platforms like Twitch TV, YouTube, and Facebook have initiated new streaming portals where people can come together and stream video games with their fans, interact with them while they play, and have a good time. But nowadays, streaming has gone just beyond gaming. You can see literally anything on streaming platforms, from makeup tutorials to woodworking, chess matches, sporting events, and many more. Streaming isn't just a way to have fun. A lot of people take streaming as a serious career choice. And why is that? Because there are revenue streams in streaming. If you are a streamer, there are a bunch of ways you can make money. One is through subscriptions. Your followers can choose to support you via subscriptions in order to unlock a few additional features, like access to a subscriber-only chat, some specific stickers or powers to use in those chats, and a few other perks that need not be very rigid. The next is through donations or tips. Viewers can tip streamers during their stream of any amount. A very famous YouTuber known as Mr. Beast is known for going around Twitch streams and giving tens of thousands of dollars to streamers just to see their reaction. If only we were that fortunate.
Which means we should give him some money. Ask him to pick a number between 1 and 10, and we'll donate that in thousands.
The Beast, pick a number between 1 and 10, 6,000. 1 and 10, 6.
6?
Oof.
Number 6. I picked 6.
I went through.
Hey.
No f***ing way. Oh.
Dang, this dude can cry pretty well.
Oh my god, dude.
Nice.
Mr. Beast, thank you so much, man.
However, there's few other ways that have come up as well. One is exclusive streaming contracts. Streamers with huge viewer bases have signed exclusive streaming contracts with these platforms. For example, a very famous streamer known as Ninja signed an exclusive contract with Microsoft's Mixer to stream exclusively on their platform. And for this contract, he was given a not so trivial amount of $100 million with an exit clause of $50 million more. Apart from this contract, you can also get recognized by brands and they can sponsor you for your streams. In exchange for displaying their logo on your streams, you'd be paid by the hour. So streaming is a way for people to support their passions, interact with people who enjoy the same things as them, and have a good time overall. Over the past few years, we've been seeing a lot of celebrities and social media personalities starting to stream as well. People such as King Batch and Post Malone have known to stream on Twitch with their friends sometimes.
Double kill!
Just wiped that whole team in 2 days.
Just playing video games, interacting with their fans, and having a good time. But maybe in the future, we can even expect Henry Cavill and his beefy new gaming PC to stream Witcher for us sometime. I'm definitely waiting for that day. Until then, let's go back and talk about streams a little more. When you're streaming, you can interact with your content creators through a chat box, talk to them about the game they are playing, about the work they are doing, whatever it might be, and overall a more interactive experience than just a YouTube video. So streaming is the new big technology or the new big form of media that's taking over the world by storm. A lot of streamers such as Ninja, Shroud, and Dr. Disrespect have achieved mainstream fame via streaming. Ninja, for one, has been on a lot of late night talk shows with people like Jimmy Fallon and even on courtside NBA matches.
So, this morning I went out and I bought myself an Xbox and I'm going to be rich. Yeah, for sure. But I need to learn how to play, so that's why I invited one of the most popular players to come here and teach me. Please welcome Ninja.
This is not lightly taken. and these streamers often have viewer bases competing against entire sporting events. Another side effect of streaming is that esports events or video game events are also streamed on these platforms. And we have seen some esports events like League of Legends Champions bringing over viewerships much greater than the NFL, the NBA, and sometimes even the cricket cups. So with such an up and coming media, it's going to be interesting to see how it grows. But until then, I'm just going to go back to watching my favorite streamers.